Hi friends, today we have to discuss about exponential distribution. Exponential distribution is a continuous probability distribution. A distribution is continuous if it has infinite values. That is, the exponential random variable x is any value that is greater than 0. The exponential probability distribution is f of x equal to lambda e raised to minus lambda x for x greater than 0, where lambda is the parameter of the uniform distribution and lambda is any real constant. Exponential distribution is used to model the time until an event occurs, and it has an memoryless property. Memoryless property means the past events don't depend or influence future probabilities. Now, some examples of exponential distribution. First example is time between customer arrivals at a bank counter. Second example is the lifetime of a light bulb. Now, the mean of a exponential distribution is mu equal to 1 by lambda. The variance of a exponential distribution is sigma square equal to 1 by lambda square. The standard deviation of a exponential distribution is sigma equal to 1 by lambda. The mean and standard deviation of an exponential distribution is same. Let's solve a problem using exponential distribution. The question is, on an average, 20 customers arrive at a garment shop every hour. Find the probability that the next customer will arrive within 5 minutes and the probability that no customer will arrive during the next 10 minutes. We know that the exponential distribution formula is f of x equal to lambda e raised to minus lambda x. for every x greater than 0. Firstly, we have to find out the lambda, that is the parameter of exponential distribution. Here, given that there are 20 customers arrive at a garment shop every hour, that is 60 minutes. Here, given that 20 customers arrive every 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. So we can write 20 customers per 60 minutes. Now, we have to find out number of customers arriving in 1 minute, that is lambda in 1 minute, implies lambda equal to 20 by 60 equal to 2 by 6. It is reduced as 1 by 3. Therefore, lambda equal to 1 by 3. Then the new exponential probability formula is f of x equal to 1 by 3 e raised to minus 1 by 3 x. Now, we have to find out the probability of next customer arriving within 5 minutes. That is P of x less than 5 equal to P of 0 less than x less than 5 equal to integral 0 to 5 f of x dx. Here, the exponential function is a continuous function. Therefore, we have to integrate the function to find out the probability. Equal to integral 0 to 5 1 by 3 e raised to minus 1 by 3 x dx. Equal to, we have to put 1 by 3 into outside of the integral. That is 1 by 3 integral 0 to 5 e raised to minus 1 by 3 x dx. We know that integral of e raised to minus cx dx equal to e raised to minus cx divided by minus c, where c is any constant. So, 1 by 3 integral 0 to 5 e raised to minus 1 by 3 x dx equal to, so 1 by 3 integral e raised to minus 1 by 3 x dx is 1 by 3 e raised to minus 1 by 3 x divided by minus 1 by 3 from 0 to 5 equal to, we have to cut 1 by 3 from numerator and 1 by 3 from denominator. Then e raised to minus e raised to minus 1 by 3 x from 0 to 5. Then we have to put upper limit and lower limit into the equation. Upper limit minus lower limit equal to minus e raised to minus 5 by 3 plus e raised to 0 equal to minus e raised to minus 5 by 3 plus e raised to 0 is 1 equal to negative 0.1884 plus 1 equal to 0.8116. Therefore, the probability that the next customer will arrive within 5 minutes is 0.8116. Now, we have to find out the probability that no customer arriving for the next 10 minutes. That is, the time span of arriving a customer is greater than 10. Therefore, we have to find out P of x greater than 10. That is equal to P of 10 less than x less than infinity equal to integral 10 to infinity f of x dx equal to integral 10 to infinity f of x is minus 1 by 3 e raised to minus 1 by 3 x dx. equal to, we have to put 1 by 3 to the outside of the integral. Integral 10 to infinity e raised to minus 1 by 3 x dx equal to 1 by 3. We know that integral e raised to minus cx equal to e raised to minus cx divided by minus c, or c is any constant. Therefore, integral e raised to minus 1 by 3 x dx is e raised to minus 1 by 3 x divided by minus 1 by 3 from 10 to infinity. Now, we have to cut 1 by 3 from both numerator and denominator. Then minus e raised to minus 1 by 3 x from 10 to infinity. Then we have to put upper limit and lower limit to the equation. Minus e raised to minus 1 by 3 into 10 equal to minus e raised to minus infinity plus e raised to minus 10 by 3. E raised to minus infinity is 0 plus e raised to minus 10 by 3 is 0.0357 equal to 0.0357. Therefore, the probability that no customers arriving for the next 10 minutes is 0.0357. Thank you.